Your SOLIDWORKS designs are always evolving. 3D Experience Simulation, powered by the industry-leading Abacus solver, gives you the ability to virtually validate complex designs without having to create any prototypes. Built-in collaboration tools make it easy to document and track issues in your design and stay organized with your team assignments. Let's see how you can use multi-physics simulation to analyze different areas of your design and ensure your customer gets the best product. The Assistant panel makes it easy for you to set up simulations. Select the material from a comprehensive library, apply boundary conditions and loads, and once the results are generated, you can view factor of safety plots to validate your changes. Further, you can investigate effects of dynamic loading, like random vibrations, define the boundary frequencies, PSD curves, and run your random vibration study. The simulated stresses and displacements are shown to give you insights on how the assembly behaves during random excitation. With Durability and Mechanics Engineer, you can easily validate the lifespan of your parts. The built-in library allows you to select material with fatigue data or create your own. Define boundary conditions and apply loads. The results show when and where your parts will fail, even in low cycle fatigue. With tight integration between SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience, you can easily make design changes and rerun the simulation without having to import and export different file types. Compare results and see how informed design changes can maximize the lifespan of your parts. Plastic Injection Engineer puts powerful plastic analysis tools into the hands of the engineers. Apply materials from a built-in plastics library and set injection molding parameters. The setup tools allow you to automatically find and establish gate locations or create custom ones. Right away you can see here there's some heavy sinkholes in the product which are not desirable in high quality parts. We can then update the model in SOLIDWORKS and rerun the study. When plastic cools, it shrinks and warps. With pinpoint warpage calculation, you can now accurately scale your design to maintain fit, form and function. The Fluid Mechanics Engineer role allows us to perform fluid and flow analysis on 3D Experience. We can easily define the boundaries of our study, set the wind speed and use the powerful 3D Experience tools to accurately mesh complex assemblies. High power cloud computing allows you to easily tackle complex simulations. In summary, Structural Mechanics Engineer gives us the ability to conduct linear and non-linear studies all on the cloud. The Durability and Mechanics Engineer role allows us to conduct in-depth durability and fatigue simulation. The Plastic Injection Engineer role gives us accurate plastic flow simulation. And with the Fluid Mechanics Engineer role, we also have the ability to carry out flow and fluid flow analysis all on the cloud.